Welcome to the GeoMethod channel. Today, we are solving another interesting geometry problem. Here is today's challenge. Can you find the value of angle x? Take a moment to study the figure. Then let us uncover the key geometric ideas that make the solution click. In square ABCD, diagonal BD meets segment AE at F. Point E lies on segment BC, segment FE equals segment EC, and we seek angle AFD. Diagonal DB bisects the 90-degree corner ADC, so angle ADF and angle FDC are each 45 degrees. Aha! Segment FE equals segment EC turns triangle CEF into an isosceles triangle. That converts the source tick marks into a pair of equal base angles, which starts the angle chase. Let the two equal base angles of isosceles triangle CEF be alpha. The graph marks alpha at C and at F. The exterior angle BEF equals the two remote interior angles, so the graph now marks it as 2 alpha. Now transfer that angle cleanly. Sides segment AD and segment BC are parallel, while segment AE is a transversal. Therefore, angle DAF equals angle BEF. So angle DAF is also 2 alpha. Triangles ADF and CDF have segment AD equal to segment DC, share segment DF, and have equal included 45-degree angles. They are congruent by side angle side. Corresponding angles in the congruent triangles give angle DCF equal to angle DAF. So the graph marks angle DCF as 2 alpha. At corner C, angle DCF plus angle FCE fills the squares 90 degrees. Thus, 3 alpha equals 90. Therefore, alpha is 30 degrees and angle DAF is 60 degrees. Triangle ADF has angles X, 60 degrees, and 45 degrees. So the answer is 75 degrees. That completes the solution. A good geometry problem often has more than one beautiful solution. If you see a genuinely different construction, a high-level idea that leads to another solution, or a thoughtful adaptation of an existing method, share it in the comments. Even a rough idea is welcome. A sketch of the key move is enough. We greatly appreciate these contributions. With your permission, we may feature the approach in a future Viewer Solutions episode and acknowledge you by name or channel handle. Thanks for exploring geometry with GeoMethod.